All right, we're going to find the surface area of a cone. So this is a cone, and in order to find the surface area, I want it to be flat. So I've cut it, and I'm going to flatten this out just so I can understand an idea of how I'm going to find the surface area. So really, this just looks like a part of a circle. So I need to figure out what part it is. So let's take a look at our net. The net of the cone is a little different. This is the part when I glue it together. I'm going to glue this part, so I won't be seeing it. So I only care about this part right here, this piece. So since it's part of a circle, I'm going to take the area of a circle, pi times r, or pi r squared. And I know I just need some fraction of it. It looks like it's about a third, but in order for me to be sure, I'm going to measure in a protractor. So taking my protractor, I need to measure this angle that I've highlighted. It looks obtuse, so I'm going to take that note now just so I'm sure. Obtuse meaning it should be more than 90. And I know that I'm looking for some degrees. Now a whole circle is 360 degrees. So I'm going to take whatever my angle measure is here, and that will tell me angle measure over 360 times the pi and the radius That will tell me what I need to find. So as I measure, I like to flip this so it's easier to read. So I'll go like this. I'm going to line it up right here. So I have 0. And I go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, right over here to 135. Let's see if I can zoom in on that so you can see. It's right here in between the 130 and the 140 at 135. So my formula is going to be 135 degrees of 360, that portion, times pi times, I still need to measure the radius. So I'm going to take the radius, which if I zoom out, this is still the radius of a circle. Radius. I'm going to measure that in centimeters. My radius is 9 centimeters. So I'm writing that down. So I have pi times 9 times 9. If I multiply that all the way out, 135 over 360 is the same as 3/8 times 81 times 3.14, letting 3.14 be about equal to pi. And then you can use your calculator, which I'll just do really quick. 3 divided by 8, 3/8 times 81 times 3.14 equals 3.14 times 81 times 3 divided by 8 equals 95.3775. So this is going to be equal about 95 centimeters, 0.38 centimeters squared. And that is the surface area of my circle, of my cone.